Hello, class SW505 at Widener Online. My name is Vinette Love, and I am currently an ombudsman in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. One of the things that I bring to this class is I am an advocate at heart, and I am a professional advocate. I have to advocate for residents in long-term care facilities. Therefore, I am always concerned about confidentiality. I'm always concerned about quality of life. I'm always concerned about residents' rights. Another thing I bring to this is I am enjoying these research and I am learning a lot and I'm ready to share some of my knowledge and to learn from everyone else in the field. Something that I do not bring and I wish I had was I have minimum experience in assessing residents. I have not been privy to assess on as a social worker. However, I have worked with many social workers. So I guess my experience with working with social workers and utilizing their assessment um, documents in order to create service areas for other residents is the only other little thing that I have. Now I am looking forward to hear everybody else's in, introduction, read the posts as we go along, and just learn from each other. Thank you for listening. I'm looking forward to your comments. Have a good